After 50, your metabolism slows by up to 10% every decade. No wonder weight loss for women over 50 feels so frustrating. And it's not just metabolism. Hormonal shifts, muscle loss, and disrupted sleep all team up to make your body store more fat and burn fewer calories. That's why the tricks that worked in your 30s or 40s just don't cut it anymore. But here's the good news. Science has found solutions. In this video, I'll share 4 underrated, research-backed supplements that directly target these age-related changes, helping boost your metabolism, protect muscle, and finally make weight loss for women over 50 possible again. Stay until the end, because you'll learn not just what they are, but how to use them safely for the best results. So grab a cup of tea, make yourself comfortable, and let's dive into supplement. Number 1, the muscle protector you've probably never heard of. Before we talk about supplements, we need to understand why weight loss becomes harder after 50. Because once you know the biological reasons, you'll see exactly where these supplements fit in and why they can help. 1. Metabolism. The silent slowdown metabolism equals the rate at which your body converts food into energy. Starting at age 30, metabolism slows by about 1 to 2% per decade, and after 50, this decline speeds up. Why? Mainly because of muscle loss and hormonal shifts. A woman at 25 may burn 1,500 calories a day at rest. The same woman at 55, with less muscle, might burn only 1,350 calories a day, even if she eats the same food and does the same activity. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults burn about 200 to 400 fewer calories per day than younger adults, primarily due to decreased lean body mass. 2. Sarcopenia. The muscle decline. Sarcopenia equals age-related muscle loss. After 50, adults lose about 1 to 2% of muscle mass per year. Less muscle equals slower metabolism plus weaker bones plus reduced mobility. This is why older adults often say, "I gain weight, even when I eat less." Because the body loses its muscle furnace that used to burn calories. Without intervention, exercise plus protein plus support, muscle loss accelerates after menopause in women. 3. Hormonal shifts after menopause. Estrogen levels drop sharply during menopause. Estrogen normally helps regulate fat storage and insulin sensitivity. With less estrogen, more fat accumulates around the belly, visceral fat. Insulin resistance increases, raising the risk of diabetes. Appetite hormones, ghrelin, leptin, become imbalanced, gives more hunger, less satiety. According to the North American Menopause Society, women can gain 5 to 10 pounds in the first few years after menopause, even without changing diet or exercise. Asterisk. 4. Sleep disruptions and stress after 50. Sleep quality often declines due to hot flashes, stress, or aging brain chemistry. Poor sleep gives higher cortisol, stress hormone, gives more belly fat storage. Poor sleep gives higher ghrelin, hunger hormone, lower leptin, satiety hormone. Harvard study, 2019. Women who slept less than 6 hours per night had a 32% higher risk of weight gain compared to those who slept 7 to 8 hours. 5. Insulin resistance and blood sugar spikes. Insulin equals hormone that helps cells absorb glucose for energy. With age, cells become less sensitive, gives pancreas produces more insulin, gives fat storage increases. High-carb meals cause sharp sugar spikes, gives crashes, gives cravings. CDC report. Nearly 1 in 3 adults over 50 in the U.S. has PRED, IABESD. How supplements fit into this picture? Okay, so we've painted a clear picture. Slower metabolism, muscle decline, hormonal changes, poor sleep, and insulin resistance. This is why so many people over 50 feel like their body is fighting against them. Now, Imagine if you could protect your muscles even while losing weight. Balance your blood sugar naturally. Sleep deeper and reduce stress. Improve insulin sensitivity without harsh drugs. That's exactly where the 4 underrated supplements come in. Each one targets a specific challenge. HMB slows muscle loss, supports strength. White mulberry leaf helps manage carbs and blood sugar. Magnesium, glycinate and threonate improves sleep and stress resilience. Berberine InSea2 supports insulin and metabolism, reduces sugar absorption. By the end of this video, you'll see how powerful they can be when combined with healthy food and gentle exercise. Let's start with the first supplement, HMB, a compound derived from the amino acid leucine. It may just be your best friend for keeping muscle strong after 50. Supplement 1, HMB. Now that we've set the stage with the science of aging metabolism, let's talk about the first supplement, HMB, or beta-hydroxy-beta-methylbutyrate. It sounds complicated, but don't worry. By the end of this section, you'll know exactly what it is, why it matters, and how you can use it safely. 1. What is HMB? HMB is a natural compound produced in small amounts when your body breaks down leucine, one of the essential amino acids found in protein. It's been studied for decades in sports nutrition, especially for protecting muscle during intense training or dieting. But recently, researchers discovered that HMB is also incredibly valuable for older adults, especially those over 50. Think of HMB as a bodyguard for your muscles. While protein builds muscle, HMB helps protect muscle from breaking down. 2. Why HMB matters after 50, as we discussed earlier. Sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass, is one of the main reasons metabolism slows down. By 50, most adults lose about 1 to 2% of muscle per year. This means less strength, slower calorie burning, and higher risk of falls or fractures. Dieting without muscle protection equals losing both fat and muscle. That's the worst-case scenario. This is where HMB shines. It reduces muscle protein breakdown and helps preserve lean body mass, even in calorie deficits. Clinical study, Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia and Muscle, 2013. Older adults who took HMB supplements preserved more muscle mass and strength compared to those who didn't, even without heavy exercise. 3. The science of HMB-MECHANISM activates mTOR pathway, promotes protein synthesis, reduces ubiquitin proteasome pathway, slows muscle breakdown. In simple words, HMB turns on the muscle building switch and turns off the muscle wasting switch. Meta-analysis, Nutrition, 2019. HMB supplementation consistently improved muscle preservation and physical performance in older adults, especially those over 60. 4. Real-world benefits for women over 50. Weight loss without muscle loss. HMB helps ensure that when you lose weight, it's fat, not lean tissue. Faster recovery. Reduces soreness and muscle damage from exercise. Stronger bones by protecting muscle. HMB indirectly supports bone health and balance. Mary, 57, tried a calorie-restricted diet and light exercise. In her first attempt without HMB, she lost 6 pounds, but also felt weaker. The second time, she combined protein shakes with HMB, and she lost fat but kept her strength. She reported feeling more energized and capable. 5. How much HMB do you need? Dosage. Most studies use 3 grams per day, divided into 2 to 3 servings. Form. HMB comes as calcium salt, NBCA, or free acid, HMB-FA. Both are effective, but free acid may be absorbed faster. Timing. Best taken with meals, especially those containing protein. HMB is considered very safe, with no major side effects reported in clinical trials. 6. How to combine HMB with lifestyle works best when combined with protein intake. At least 1.2 to 1.6 grams protein per kilogram body weight daily. Resistance training. Even light resistance bands or body weight squats. Think of it like this. Protein equals bricks. Exercise equals builders. HMB equals security guard that prevents the bricks from being stolen. 7. Choosing a quality HMB supplement. Look for third-party tested brands, NSF certified, USP verified. Avoid cheap muscle boosters with hidden ingredients. Affiliate opportunity. I've linked a trusted HMB supplement in the description that many women over 50 find effective. 8. Limitations and who shouldn't take it. Not a magic pill. HMB won't build muscle without protein or movement. Should be avoided or used cautiously. If you have kidney disease, consult doctor first. You are on very restricted medical diets. 9. Summary and transition. To summarize, HMB is like a bodyguard for your muscles. After 50, when muscle loss accelerates, HMB can help preserve lean mass, support metabolism, and make weight loss healthier. In short, if you're dieting and exercising, HMB ensures you lose fat and not muscle. Now, preserving muscle is one piece of the puzzle. But what about blood sugar spikes and carb cravings that sabotage weight loss after 50? That's where the second supplement, white mulberry leaf, comes in. And trust me, you'll be surprised by what this humble leaf can do. The journey of weight loss and staying healthy after 50 is not just about the number on the scale. It's about enjoying life with renewed confidence and energy. Here's a quick recap of 4 powerful supplements for health and weight loss after 50. HMB protects muscle, helps burn fat without losing strength. White mulberry leaf balances blood sugar and reduces carb absorption. Magnesium, glycinate, and threonate improves sleep, reduces stress, and supports metabolism. Berberine plus InSea2 controls blood sugar spikes and enhances insulin sensitivity. Losing weight after 50 may feel challenging, but it's never too late. By combining healthy eating, gentle exercise, quality sleep, and the right supplements, you can absolutely regain your shape, strength, and energy. How to apply? Start simple. Choose the one supplement that best matches your biggest challenge. Pair it with small daily habits, a 20-minute walk, more fiber, and a consistent sleep schedule. Add more support gradually as you feel ready. Disclaimer: always consult your healthcare provider before starting any supplement, especially if you're on medication or managing chronic conditions. Call to action: SEO plus CTA. Check the description below for trusted supplement links. I recommend watch the playlist Weight Loss After 50 Inches for detailed guidance on food, exercise, and lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get more science-backed weight loss strategies for men and women over 50. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video where I'll share more insights. Until then, take care and keep moving forward.